Hello everybody, now we try the new one. The last video we learned about the text box more, and now we try the new one with the text box. Text block for display to the user but cannot be input. But text box, the user can be input the value as the one. Now we should create a new page for the text box. Okay. Before that, just run app. Okay, nothing error. Get style from map. Just remove and create a new page. I will choose WinUI, blank page in WinUI3 and set name text box page. After we create and go to app.cs and change text box page here. Okay. Now let's go to the text box and remove some tab and remove to the right. Oh, wait. Now remove manually. Okay, let's go to the box and create stack panel. Now, wait, set the vertical line center, horizontal line center, and create text box, text box, not block, text box. Okay, wow, just type it. Not difficult to typing. This should already show you. Just tap key and display here. Text box is user input. So let's have some property like width, okay, like width, like height. Let's hold the text. Okay, let's run it. Any error? No, I think there is no error here. Okay, this is the tick box. This is the placeholder. Enter tick here is the placeholder. Now I change placeholder. Save it and look at the app. Placeholder. Okay, you can change it. You just type something else. It's already removed from here. Just set down on the set block. Tell you that what you should to input for here. Like example, phone number, first name, last name, something else. What about width? Example, change width to 500 and look at that. Wow, so long. Now change height to 300. Look at the app. Wow, big. Okay, now you understand what is it of this property. Now let's find the property. Okay, look at the app and you type a b or hello world and enter. No, you can create a new line, just one line, and type enter key, no work. So we need one more property or two more. Let's try property accept return true. Default fail, so we change to true. Okay, save it and look at the app again. Hello, enter well. Wow, that's work. But when we store in the database, tag default use to database or display in another element or something else, we should use one more property that is like the type block. Use the tag wrap and wrap, similar to the type block in the last video. Okay, this is a simple property. Now look at other property. We want to let me find the default. Okay, now we try the event of the zip block. It's simple when user type something in the text box and it will display in the text block. Okay, so we create a new one, text block, and we can set name of this. So H name. This is the name of element. It is important. You must to understand. You must to know that it's the name H and name equal. I said text name and should be create the name of text box too. H name my text box. Save it and right click. Fine. Oh no, nothing for me. Okay, let's create event for this text box. I try text change and in Visual Studio we don't try to write the name of the event, just remove, just press the ball. Okay, that's work for me. My box is the name of my box and this is the event name. And right click, go to definition and we try to cast the sender of the box to display. This is event. Now we try var. I think you should understand about variable in C#. Text box equals sender here, sender here as text box. Okay, and I try string dot current text equal text box dot text. That's what. Oh, what's wrong? Oh, may not. Oh, may not. And if current text dot length more than 10, more than 3, and we should change text in the text block. What's the name of text block? Let me set. Oh, text name. Okay, text name. Text name dot. What's wrong? Oh, let's save it. Oh no, stop here. Stop at first. Okay, let's text name. Text name, not text. That's current text. try. Oh, here, this is a text block. Now I can font the text block. Font. Oh no, we get style. We already create new one in the last video. So we get style. Right. Static. Sus. And my style. Okay. Let's save it. Look at the style. Oh yes. Let's try. Oh yes. And go to code. You code and ill. Ill if current text smaller 3 dot name smaller than 3, then text name dot text for nothing. Okay, let's try again. Just stop it and try again. If you use event or method in that element, you must be restart the application. And if you just change the UI or user interface and element property, you don't need to restart. Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Move. Wow. Okay, that's what. Now I try create the static styles like the tip block too. Let's define. Which style I should use? Okay, go to app and get new style. Style. My tick box style, tick box. Wow. Try this one. My tick box, this block, this tick box, and target tick box, and font size 50. Oh no, I don't want it. I just change property to background, and the value should be light gray, light blue, and setter property. And one font size. Property. Border brush. I think you could find the property of the each element. I just showed you some detail and how to use it. And you want to learn more, just try to find in Microsoft Store. Yes, or Microsoft Store with the WinUI template. And value, but the brush should be blue. And the property equal what the thickness value should be 3. Okay, let's font size 2. Setting. Setup property. Font size. And value should be 14. Okay. Now let's apply it to the tick box. Now go to the new backup and you see the tick box and use the property. Style. Static source. What's the name of my tick box style? Here. Save it and Run again. Oh, what's wrong? Just fix it. Oh, we forget. Oh, style element. Style. Just save it. Oh, let's run again. Something wrong more? No? Okay. Let me go here. Yes. Hello. Well, wait. What's wrong? The background? Blue light. Background. What? Something wrong. Right here. What the? Let's check what the font size. What the 10. Just save it. Yes, that's work. But background not work. Maybe it related to here. Team resource. Let remove here. Just cap. Save again. Right here. Let's change style background to yellow. It's work or not? And look at F. Oh yeah, yellow. Okay. If we put something here, it will display default. If we remove cursor from here, okay, then click on element. Yes, it will display here. Style. Apply to this text box. If you put mouse on here, it will remove that style. Oh, yes. That's the reason. Okay, this is the end of this lesson. This tutorial covers the basic of using a text box control in WinUI3. Just simple, and you can try more for using it. Thank you for watching.